Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to increase pointer speed on Logitech MX Anywhere 3. Let's begin. In order to improve and increase our pointer speed, all you have to do is go to the Logitech Options application, then switch from mouse to point and scroll section. And right here we want to increase pointer speed, right here. And now if we would just move our mouse just a little, we can see that it already improved. We can bump it even more. So for example, we can bump it all the way to the max. And now if I will move just a little bit, you can see how fast it moves. And if I will decrease this, you can see that now we have to move much further in order to move our cursor. And yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, please remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.